MI-4112 Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Installation. Using a stud finder, locate the stud and place the center of the mount on the stud at the desired height. Using a bubble level, hold the provided template to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes as shown. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers and tighten until secure. Using a bubble level, hold the template to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 6 mounting holes as shown. Use a 3/8 masonry drill bit and drill on the marked location to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the mount arm to the wall using the provided lag bolts and washers, then tighten until secure. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the provided VISA arms over the VISA holes as shown. Select and then install the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Hang the TV on the mount arms at either of the 2 height settings. Tighten the safety bolt on the VISA arms to prevent the TV from being accidentally lifted off the mount arm. Use the cable ties to route the cables along the mount arms in order to keep cables tidy and out of the way. Adjust the tilt angle by loosening the 4 bolts shown here. Tilt the screen to the desired angle, then tighten the bolts back down. Adjust the level of the screen by loosening the 4 bolts shown here. Adjust to the desired angle, then tighten the bolts back down.